Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As y'all can see from the title, we are going to be doing a glitter liner tutorial. So I've only done this look once or twice and I really like it. It's not perfected or anything. I'm not like the professional at glitter liners, so don't try and drag me, okay? Don't do it. But I do love this look. I feel like it's something really simple. I feel like it's, you know, it's extra but it's not too much, if you know what I'm saying. So I really like it. I like how this turned out today. So get into it. Okay, so if y'all want to learn all the details about how to get this look, then just keep on watching. But before y'all move ahead, if y'all are not subscribed already, make sure y'all subscribe, turn that notification bell on so that y'all can be notified every time I post a video. And then make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Tell me what y'all like about this look, and you know, yeah. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Hey guys, welcome back. As y'all seen in the intro, this is going to be a tutorial on how to achieve that glitter liner that we all see on Instagram and TikTok and all of that. So as y'all can see, I already done my hair, so I'm going to take my scarf off so I can do my makeup and look. Okay, so let me just push this back a little bit so y'all won't try and drag me. Okay, so as y'all can see, we're going to start off with a clean canvas. I just did my skincare routine because I just woke up like 20 minutes ago. So skin is clear and ready. So now we're going to go in with our Fenty Beauty Brow MVP in deep black per usual, and just go ahead and get these eyebrows looking good. So we'll do that and then clean them up with some Too Faced Born This Way chestnut concealer, and then I'll come right back when we get started on these eyes. Alright, so the brows are done, so now we can move on to the lids. We're just going to do something really simple because we want the glitter liner to be the standout on the eyes. So we're not going to do a dramatic eye look or anything. So going ahead and just priming the lid with the concealer. Setting the lid. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do to kind of make a no makeup look, I'm gonna take my bronzer and I'm gonna use that as a shadow and just put that all over my lid. So we basically have nothing on the lids, but it kind of still looks like we do. So, so now we're going to go in with our Kat Von D tattoo liner and create our first wing. y'all know my wings are never gonna look identical, so this is the best that we have right now. Okay. So now I'm gonna take my NYX glitter primer and I'm gonna line right on top of that wing that we just created. Right where we just lined with that primer, we're gonna put the loose glitter. So I'm using the NYX loose glitter in silver. So y'all know I say all the time with loose glitters, it's never gonna be as precise as you want it. So this is as good as it gets on this side. Now we're gonna try this side and see if this one looks just a little bit better. But I mean, either way it goes, I'm not expecting it to be perfect because it is a loose glitter. Loose glitters aren't, you know, compressed. They're, you know, individual. So they're gonna fall and do whatever they want to do, really. So let's do this eye. So now we're just going to try and get a little bit of this glitter off of our face, which is not going to work 100% because it's a loose glitter. So, so now we're going to prime. After my last video, I've really been loving the Smashbox primer. I have to go buy the full size of this. So this is what we're going to use to prime. So of course, y'all know me, I'm gonna set first. Get set. So now we're just going to apply our foundation. Too Faced Born This Way foundation in Tiramisu. We're going to conceal with our same concealer from Too Faced. Contouring with my Anastasia Beverly Hills powder bronzer in Mahogany. Alright. And then now we're going to set everything with our Fenty Beauty setting powder in Nutmeg. just going to set with our Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Now we're going to line our lips with our dark brown lip liner from Ruby Kisses. Okay, so we took a slight detour. I went ahead and applied my lashes, but as y'all seen, I applied my lip liner. I just kind of, you know, buffed it out a little bit. So now we're going to go on top of that with our Huda Beauty matte lipstick in First Kiss. Y'all know ever since my last video I've been loving this, so that's what we're going to wear. Alright, so that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys really like it. I love doing a glitter liner. It's very cute, very simple. You don't have to do too much. So I really like it. I like how this look turned out. So yeah, y'all like this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Make sure y'all subscribe if you are not already. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye y'all.